Good morning, guys. It's 2:30 in the morning. We already have a target here, and it is, oh, I thought it's 5 peso coin, but it's not. It is actually $1 Australian. Nice. This is worth like 45 pesos. Good start. I was not able to turn on the camera yet. Already have a target. Let's go to the water first, then we'll go back to the dry sand. Low tide is within an hour, 3:30. So guys, we're using right now the brand new coil. This is the first time that we will use it on the water. Oh, we have a target here. The connector is not yet submerged. Let's get this first. I think it's in the scoop. I hope it's not a pull tab. Oh, guys, it's not a pull tab, guys. Oh, I think it's gold, guys. Oh, yes, guys, I'm sure this is gold. Whew, second target. It looks like 21 karat, guys. I want to shout. Can't believe this. Whew, I'm actually shaking, guys. I love it. So let's continue for the testing. We'll submerge this first. This is 80, a high tone, but there's no sound of iron. So this could be like copper, or I found also a silver ring. It's 990 at 82. Oh, right, guys, this is a coin. What kind of coin is this? This number 1. Check later. Down there, and it has overload signal. Oh, I hope I'm thinking right. This may be a cell phone. Ah! No way. That's why it's overloading. Royal True Orange, right? 66 to 70s. This could be a brass coin. Oh, 65. Not sure about it. It's a solid 65. Maybe a 10 peso bimetal. Alright, guys, this is 10 peso bimetal. The ring is actually made of copper nickel, and the middle part is made of aluminum bronze. Aluminum bronze is made of copper, nickel, tin, and aluminum. 10 peso. 263. The vortex is more stable right now, guys, because of the new coil. Oh, I see a ring. Right, got another ring, guys. A ring. 62. Nice. But this is Fairlight. This is only aluminum ring, but at least we're still finding ring. A lighter. Oh, it works. Solid 65. maybe another 10. Alright, another 10 peso. Solid 65. Could be another 10 peso coin. Oh, it is 10 peso coin. Yeah. 73. This could be a silver. Yes, get a ring. Yeah, I think this is silver, guys. $73. Yes, a third ring. Just started. It's 3:06. We started 2:30. 35 minutes. We found 3 rings. Nice. Guys, I think we found another gold. Another double gold. Double pendant. No, I know it's fake. Maybe gold plated stainless. I don't think I need to find the chain. A deep 20 peso coin. We found a ring. A big ring. This is actually, guys, from Kayak. 20 peso. Solid 69. This could be a brass coin. Oh, it's not 5, it's 1. Alright. Copper. Right, guys, 5:20 in the morning. Almost 3 hours of hunt. It's time to go home. Already found gold. So very good. See you on the wrap up, guys. Here's the wrap up, guys. Usual trust, mostly pull tabs. A few coins. This is the first coin that I found. I dug it before I turned on my GoPro. $1 Australian. It is worth 35 pesos. And the coins 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 108 pesos and 25 centavos. And this foreign coin feels like aluminum. And this ring, this is actually aluminum ring. This one, this is silver ring. This double pendant. This is just gold plated stainless. This one, this is heavy, maybe around 10 grams. I think this is just made of copper. And the find of the day, right, this is mark 915. 22 karat is 916, right? So 915 is like 21.8 karat. but I will take it as 21 karat. This is 3.1 grams of 21 karat. Found it second target. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if I have a new video. See you on the next time.